Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Thomas. I'm here to show you how to use the Beaufort scale and also how to use the anemometer. So we'll start by looking at the flag overhead. You can see, let's see, the flag is extending but not all the way, not constantly. Okay, now let's look at the Beaufort scale. And if we look at Beaufort number 3, gentle breeze, 8 to 10 miles an hour, leaves and small twigs move, wind makes light flag wave all the time. Well, it's not waving all the time. So let's go up one and we'll say this must be a light breeze, 4 to 7 miles per hour, wind felt on face and leaves rustle. So that's the Beaufort scale. Okay, now when we use the anemometer, we hold it into the wind and we let the wind blow and we watch the dial change in miles per hour. Thank you.